So you bought a gaming PC, and then one day it just stops working. But you really don't know anything about computers. Where would you take it? Well, you can take it here. Let's see if we can fix this. Check it out. So here is the gaming PC that is not working. Not sure of the specs. And his complaint was that it couldn't get into the menu. I don't know what that means. It's not his computer, it's his granddaughter's computer. And I was thinking, okay, maybe it's stuck in the BIOS or something like that. I wonder what's in here. This, I can't really tell. Might have to take it apart. This is interesting. Just goes, SATA goes right there. It's a nice little build. Has this little swinging door action thing, so that's convenient. So he said it won't go into the menu. And so I thought, what menu? But I didn't want to ask him because he's not a computer guy and it's not his computer. So my thinking was probably, usually when people bring me a computer, it's stuck on the BIOS or Windows won't boot or something like that. So I didn't really want to get into details. I just said, just drop it off, I'll take a look. And so I tried to turn it on, and then the power light went on for half a second on the graphics card. Let's see if I can do it now. I won't do it anymore. The power light came on for half a second and it wouldn't turn on. So I was like, that's weird, because if he's saying it doesn't go into the menu, it should at least power up, right? Because if the computer didn't power up, you would say it doesn't turn on. But he said it won't go into the menu. But I think it's secondhand information based on what she told him at some point. So I said, well, let me check the memory. So I wanted to reset the memory because that happens a lot when you move computers around. So I pulled the memory out and I tried to put it back in, and it wouldn't go in. I was like, wait, why does it not fit in the socket? And then I looked at it, and then I put it back in. And wait, it doesn't fit. That's weird. So I was like, wait. So I looked at the numbers here, and it was DDR4. So I was thinking, okay, is it DDR3? Why does it not fit? So I tried to line up a DDR3, but it was completely different. And then I got a DDR4 stick, a different one, and didn't fit. I was like, wait a minute. So I compared this to the slot here. The memory was actually in here. It was fully in the slot. It was backwards. It wasn't in the right direction. So I'm trying to put it back in the same way that it was, but it was backwards. So apparently somebody has tried to mess with this. And I thought, when he told me about it, I was thinking, maybe it stopped working a week ago or something. So I said, when's the last time that it worked? And he says 2 years ago. So I was like, okay, you might want to have told me that, before you dropped it off, because I'm just doing basic troubleshooting and this thing's been not working for 2 years. It should be pretty modern. It does have DDR4. There's only one stick. and it's a 32 gigabyte. So we need another one. So here's the board. I took it out, and because I plugged in my other power supply into this and turned it on, and the GPU started smoking, which is not fun, and I think it killed my power supply. So something is clearly wrong here. But this is a 9th gen i3. I'm kind of afraid to plug in another power supply at this point, but I'm going to try it anyway, because now nothing is plugged in here. There's no GPU, there's no wires. Maybe something was hooked up wrong. And see if this board still works, or is it going to fry another power supply? Let's find out. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, we have activity. So my power supply is not dead, that's good. Okay, we're back on again. I forgot I didn't put any memory in there at first. But still no post. Hey, success! I wonder if that processor didn't have onboard video, like a integrated GPU. So I just put in a different one and we're booting. So I think, was it just the GPU that smoked and blew up? This is working now. I'm not sure, but it's on. I just put in a random little cheap old GPU. So I'm not going to put the original one back in. I'm going to try it one more time with the 32 gigabyte stick that it came with. And then I'll reinstall it with some kind of GPU just to test. But my power supply is not dead. I have to try the one that it came with again. So it seems like so far the GPU was the problem. Why that would happen, I don't know. There's the GPU in question. AMD RX 560. And it smells like smoke. It literally popped smoke. I wish I would have recorded that. Why is there... There's some really sticky stuff on here. Oh, this got wet. This is like soda or something. It's all over. Like, see? What is that? How do you get soda inside the... I don't know, but that's it. That's the culprit. This is definitely, because you see how sticky it is? That's for sure soda. I can't smell it because it smells like smoke, but that's 100%. Somebody was trying to work on this and got it wet and killed it. So this is dead. It's not even that great of a GPU anyway, but it's several years old, so. Okay, well, let's try something else and put it back together. After 2 years of waiting, Robert Fix-It brings you back to life. Welcome back, old friend. You will game again. So it works, and the moral of the story here is when in doubt, take it out. If you're having trouble with the PC, especially one that you put together, take everything back out and try it individually, and you'll get it to work. We'll see you next time.